Hello everyone, this is Adam Meister, the BitcoinMeister, Disruptmeister. Remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video. I usually put out one video every single day. Today you're going to get two. I had to get this one out real early because things change so quickly in the cryptocurrency space. I wanted to kind of break this story, although it's been floating out there for a while. It's about Ethereum Classic. I haven't even shaved or showered or done any of my morning stuff, so I look like a mess. Sorry about that. I'm going to look better for this evening's video. But anyway, as you all know, Ethereum Classic is at $1.09 right now, and it's 9 a.m. in the morning on the East Coast. And the trading volume has been high. It has not been following the regular Ethereum path lately, the last few days. And people are starting to wonder, like, what is going on here? Ethereum Classic has not looked this bullish in quite some time. So what is going on here? Well, as you know, a few days ago I talked about how Ethereum Classic had a conference in London, and at this conference, I believe it was at this conference at least, they had some presentations where they were talking about their monetary policy that they're going to try to stick to, that they're going to try to implement. And there are two great articles, and there's also a Steemit post. I'll link to everything that I have that I found out about this, that talk about this monetary policy and what could possibly happen. And basically, the monetary policy is finally putting a cap on the amount of Ethereum Classic out there, like saying that in year X, they're going to only be X Ethereum Classic. Right now, it's like unlimited printing. Same thing with Ethereum. You know, we're talking about inflationary stuff. So all this time with Ethereum, at least, people were so bullish on Ethereum, yet they didn't know how much Ethereum was going to be made. And I know Vincent Migtal, a huge Bitcoin fan, always brings up, like, why do people like Ethereum? They don't even know how can I invest in Ethereum when I don't know how much there's going to be? And that is an excellent point. Well, here, the Ethereum Classic people, there's a proposal on the table to put a cap, a 210 million Ethereum Classic cap on Ethereum. There's also the rumor that Ethereum Classic is committed to maintaining a proof of work existence, okay? Excuse me. A proof of work. So right now, Ethereum Classic is proof of work, so is Ethereum. Ethereum is going to go to proof of stake. Now, Ethereum Classic has taken some moves in a direction to stay proof of work, at least for the near future. My opinion is simply they stay proof of work forever, and they say, hey, we're going to do this, and they say, hey, we're going to have a 210 million cap. This is going to get a lot of people excited because already the rumors of this have boosted up the price. That is why the price has gone up, because of what has been speculators saying, hey, wait a second, this sounds good. I mean, the market is speaking. The speculative market is speaking, and it has gone up from below 90 cents to close to $1.10, while Ethereum has been going down still steadily. And in the old days, it would just stay at the same rate as Ethereum. So it has gained on Ethereum. So 2017, this is going to be a story. Is it going to be a huge story in 2017? We shall see. But I mean, people spoke about parity at the beginning, that they would eventually even out. Ethereum and Ethereum Classic would even out. Well, again, if Ethereum Classic if they solidify their community, if they solidify what they're going to be like in the future, and Ethereum does not, Ethereum goes this insane, people would have to judge for themselves. Is proof of work the way to go, or proof of stake the way to go? And I think, personally, the market will say, wait a second, proof of work is better than proof of stake. And Tone Base says that. I'm going to go with Tone on that one, hardcore. And this could have a major effect. Like, people are going to be like, wait a second, this proof of stake thing, this is not cool. I like the proof of work thing. I'm going with Ethereum Classic. It could get a lot of people into the Ethereum Classic speculative market. But again, you got to remember, both are speculations now, really. What does Ethereum do? What does Ethereum Classic do? But again, one is taking a very grassroots effort, Ethereum Classic, to solidify its future, to build a community. These are very interesting things here. Has this really been tried yet? I don't know. So if Ethereum Classic stays on this solid path. 210 million. They still have not approved the 210 million cap, all-time cap, but coincidentally, that's 10 times the amount of the Bitcoin all-time cap, which there are only going to be ever 21 million Bitcoin made, and that won't be until the 22nd century. Also, both of them will not make their last coin until the 22nd century. Based on medical technology of today, all of us will be deceased by that time period. Or all of us that are, grown-ups now will be deceased by then, and so that doesn't, that whole number doesn't exactly matter, but based on speculation, that's okay. 10 times the amount of Bitcoin. So figure Bitcoin is $780 today. They're aiming for $78 per coin. Let's just simplify everything. So Ethereum Classic is trying to say we want to be just a tenth of Bitcoin. We want to be $78 per coin, which, that is unrealistic for today. I'm not saying Ethereum Classic is going to all of a sudden be $78 a coin, but let's say people really get into this. The market says, hey, we like this proof of work thing. We like the direction you're going on. We like the cap that this is a solid thing. It could boost the price to $7.80, which is just 1% of $780, and which is where Ethereum is right now. So, again, I'm just playing everything out in my head. But if they do things in a professional manner, very solid, if the market reacts in a respectful way, in a normal way, the parity could happen. Parity could happen around $6. Parity could happen around $7.80. I don't know. But $7.80 is not out of the question. It's $1 right now. Previous videos of mine have said I'd like Ethereum Classic as a speculation. Don't throw all your money into it, because around $1, less than $1, it could easily go up to $2. And I think all of you can see now, with all this starting to come out, with this explanation that I'm giving, why it could go to $2 very soon. I've been mentioning numbers way ahead of $2. That 780 is realistic for maybe 2017, maybe 2018. I have no idea. But you see they're shooting for $78. So why isn't $2 realistic? I think $2 is realistic. So it is my top speculation. It is my top speculation right now, Ethereum Classic. I made a video a while ago about Ethereum Classic and Monero. The Monero one already came true. Let's see what happens with this Ethereum Classic. Again, check out those links that I'm providing to the articles. They were great articles that explain this a lot better than I can. And I think they'll give, straightforward, logical thinking people a clue, some hope about Ethereum Classic here, that, what? These guys might be onto something. These guys, if this Ethereum is really a supercomputer or whatever it's supposed to be, they might be taking the correct direction, while the regular Ethereum might be, who knows what's going on. That might not be the correct direction. And they're not trying to go to war with Bitcoin here. Now, I don't know if Ethereum is trying to go to war with Bitcoin, but they say that the best monetary policy, in these videos or in these articles, the Ethereum Classic people admit the best monetary policy is Bitcoin's monetary policy. So that is not what you hear from Ethereum people. You rarely, I don't want to generalize here, but so many outspoken Ethereum people are just like, Bitcoin is horrible. We want to, or not, that's wrong to say, sorry. Bitcoin is something we want to take out. We want to be number one. We want to be number one. We're better than Bitcoin because our monetary policy, we're better. They're saying their monetary policy is better. Ethereum Classic isn't trying to overtake Bitcoin. That's a great number one. That's a great number one strategy, okay? Don't try to attack the top dog here when you have no shot at all. No shot at all for overtaking the top dog. Also, don't try to attack Ethereum either. I would think both of them should not be at war with each other. It should be community-wise at least. But again, Ethereum Classic is just saying, hey, Bitcoin, you have the best monetary policy. You have some good qualities. Let's try to copy you. Let's try to copy what is successful. Let's try to copy what's $780 right now. So I think that's very solid. I think the market is going to think that's very solid. So there is my special little video of the day. the extra Ethereum Classic one. I hope you all enjoy it. Spread the word. I'm Adam Meister, the BitcoinMeister. I will talk to you later.